Our MFE program has three distinct advantages. First is our business school advantage. Being housed in a premier business school provides our students with access to resources, employers, and a network of over 42,000 alumni. In addition to that, we have our East and West Coast advantage. We have many alumni that are successfully employed in the East Coast, primarily in New York City, the center of finance, as well as the West Coast, primarily in LA and San Francisco. In addition to that, we have access to a network of not only our MFEs, but MBA alums, executive MBA students, as well as MSBA Business Analytics program. Third is our emphasis on soft skills. We have a purpose-driven class, Communication with Impact, led by a professor here at Anderson with an expertise in communication to help prepare our students for job interviews. We also have a career team that helps our students with interviews and helps them get the job and provides them with all of the skills necessary not only to land the job, but to lead in their future career. So if you're interested in finance and math and a fulfilling career that utilizes those skills, then this is the program.